Dear students, today we will study a bit more in geometric sequence. We will study general term formula for geometric sequence. Definition of geometric sequence. A geometric sequence is a sequence in which every next term is obtained by multiplying each time the preceding term with a constant number. For example, 3, 6, 12, 24 and so on. This is a geometric sequence because each time we are multiplying the preceding term with 2, 3 is multiplied with 2 to get 6, and then 6 is multiplied with 2 to get 12, and then 12 is multiplied with 2 to get 24. So this is our first term, this is the second term, and this one is third term, and this one is fourth term, and so on. Now the first term is 3 and the second term is 3 multiplied by 2, which is 6, and then the the third term is second term multiplied by 2, but second term is 3 multiplied by 2. So 3 multiply 2 multiply 2. This 3 multiply 2 is the second term. Now the fourth term is third term multiplied by 2. What is the third term? Third term is 3 multiply 2 multiply 2. So this third term is replaced with this value. So 3 multiply 2 multiply 2. Now if we see this one, so this can be written as 3 multiply 2 power 2, and this can be, so okay, this is the value of third term, and now multiply 2, and this can be written as 3 into multiply by 2 power 3. Similarly, we can see what is the next term, fifth term. What is fifth term? Over here, if this is multiplied with 2, so we are getting 48. How this can be obtained? Fifth term, if we see third term is, here is written 3, the term is 3, and over here the power is 2, 1 less than 3. Over here the term is 2, but the power of 2 is 1. So I can write 3 multiply 2 power 1 less than 5, so 4. And by this way we can go forward. So sixth term is 3 multiply 2 power 5, because 5 is 1 less than 6. The term number is 6 and the power of 2 is 5. By this way we can deduce that an can be written as 3, which is the first term, multiply the multiple, which is 2, power 1 less than this term number, so n minus 1. So this is the general term. How this is obtained? Once again I am telling you that if the term is 3, so the power of 2 will be 2, 1 less than this term number. And if the term is fourth, so the power of the 2 will be 3, 1 less than this 4. If the term is 6, then the power of 2 is 5. If the term is n, so the power of 2 is n minus 1. And what is this 3? This is the first term. So by this way we can generate an is equal to, what is 3? This is the first term. So I write first term. And what is this 2? This 2 is the multiple, and this is known as, what is this 2? This is known as common ratio. So I can write this as r. And what is the power? N minus 1. So this is the general formula for geometric sequence. Now if the sequence is, this is the first term, this is the second term, this one is the third term, this one is the fourth term, this one is the fifth term, and so on. And this one is the general term, and so on. The sequence is continued. It is infinite sequence. Now this is the first term, and this one is the second term. Second term is obtained by first term multiply with the common ratio, and this third term is first term multiplied with r multiplied with r, because up till here this is the second term. So then fourth term, first term multiply with r up till here, this is the third term, and now again r is multiplied. So this is multiplied with r to get second term, and third term is obtained by a2 multiply with r, and fourth term is obtained by a3 multiply with r. So this is the fourth term, and now the fifth term is first term multiply with r multiply with r multiply with r. So up till here this is the fourth term. Now this is the fourth term, and fourth term is multiplied with r. So one more r is multiplied with the fourth term to get the fifth term, and so on. So second term is obtained by first term multiplied with r, and third term is obtained by second term multiplied with r, but second term is this one. So and we obtain a1 r square. Now the fourth term is third term multiplied with r, but what is the third term? The third term is this one. So a1 r square multiply with r, this r. So we are getting a1 r cube. So this is the fourth term. Now what is the fifth term? a4, there is fourth term multiplied with r. But what is fourth term? Fourth term I have got this thing. So a1 r cube multiply with r. So I am getting a1 r4. In the similar way we can get an. What is an? That is nth term. The number of the term is n. Over here look at the back, that is the, if the term is fourth one, that is 4 is written over here, so power of r is 3. If the term written is 5, so the power of r is 4, 1 less than 5. Over here 3 is 1 less than 4. Similarly, if the term is third, 3 is written over here, so the power of r is 2, which is 1 less than 3. So in the similar way, if the term number is n, so I can write a1, that is first term, and r power is 1 less than this n, so n minus 1. So this is the general formula. I am taking an example. 16, 8, 4 and so on, and the question is to find 7 term. As we are to find 7 terms, so n is 7. And what is first term? This is first term, this is second term, and this is third term, and so on. So first term is 16, and what is r? So divide second term by first term, so we are getting 1 by 2. Now third term divided by second term, and we are getting again 1 by 2. So this means r is 1 by 2. Now the general term formula is an is equal to first term multiply r power n minus 1. That is, the power of r is n minus 1, which is 1 less than n, the term number. So now put n is equal to 7. So this means 7th term will be found. So first term is 16 and r is 1 by 2 and n minus 1, so 7 minus 1. We are getting 16 1 by 2 power 6 and 16 1 by 2 power 6. So this means 16 1 by 2 power 6 means 64. 16 by 64 is 1 by 4. So this is our 7th term. If we generally multiply this thing with 1 by 2, we are getting 8. And if the second term is multiplied with 1 by 2, I am getting 4, which is the third term. Now again, if this 4 is multiplied with 1 by 2, I am getting 2. And if this 2 is multiplied with 1 by 2, I am getting 1. And if this 1 is multiplied with 2, I am getting 1 by 2. And if this 1 by 2 is multiplied again with 1 by 2, I am getting 1 by 4. So this is the term. This is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, and this one is 7th term. But this is the nearer term if I am finding some term, for example 50th term. So I will put n is equal to 50 in general formula. An first term r power 50 minus 1 n minus 1, so 50 minus 1, so a 50, so n is 50. First term is 16, r is 1 by 2 and n is 50 minus 1. So 16 1 by 2 power 50 minus 1 is 49. So we can easily calculate the 50th term. Example, if the first term is 5 and r is the common ratio which is multiplied each time to get our geometric sequence, and the question is find the geometric sequence. First term is given and the common ratio is given, and we are asked that to find the geometric sequence. So first term is 5, second term will be first term multiplied by r, which is 15. and the third term will be second term multiplied by r. So this will be second term is 15, so multiply by r, so 45, and the fourth term is third term multiply by r. So third term is 45 multiply r. So this is 135. 5 3s are 15 and 4 3s are 12, 13. So the sequence is, geometric sequence is, first term is 5, second term is 15, third term is 45, and fourth term is 135, and so on. This is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term, and this is the fourth term. Thank you.